gentlemen, just now I have stayed in Kaksas Bazar, Burmese market. I am in women shopkeepers. You can see there are many clothes, child, man, woman, and she is a shopkeeper. Every shop has a woman and to sell various type of clothes. So I bought something for my families. This is Burmese dress, and she is my friend's sister. Her name is, I don't know. I asked her after a few minutes. So there are many items of shoes, men and women and child. This is Potua. This is Burmese cosmetics, Chandon, various type of cosmetics, and Toyota car, another doll, play, and bags, etc. So I am pleased with you because 24th time we to come Texas Bazaar. Okay, thank you, bye.